Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to change name on Facebook. So first thing that you do is you just have to open your Facebook application on your mobile device, or you can also use a Facebook web browser. All right, and then after that, you just have to log into your Facebook account. Once you've done that, you have this profile option at the top right of your screen, so click on it. So right here, you just have to click on the settings or the gear icon at the top right. That's right. Now click on the account center. Okay, so right here you have your profiles option. So click on it and then select your current profile. Okay, so right here you have the name, username, profile picture, and avatar. So to change your name, just simply click on the name option. All right, so currently this is the name of this account. So if you want to change it, so click on the first name. So you just have to type it right here, the name that you are going to use. For example, John. Then after that, you just have to click on the review change option at the bottom of your screen. That's right. And then click on the save changes. Right, so our name has been updated successfully. Right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.